These are worn by J-Lo. So I saw J-Lo and I was like, what is this? So I've been on the hunt for some like really cool sunglasses. I heard about this brand called Artsake a really long time ago, but I was in Miami, so you know, I wanted to go to a store and I wanted to see it in person. And they actually have a store in London, in Covent Garden. So as soon as I found out, I was like, I want to go. Let's go in and let's try them on and let's pick a pair of sunglasses. I want to show you these because these were basically the pair that I saw for the first time that got me to this brand. These are worn by J-Lo. So I saw J-Lo and I was like, what is this? So it comes like this and it comes in like with the mirrored lens like this. I think they're so cool. And the cool thing about these sunglasses is that they come either in stainless steel or titanium. The titanium ones are lighter, but they are made in such a way that even if they're titanium or stainless steel, if they're on gold, the gold will not tarnish. Because you know how you have sunglasses sometimes and you know, you wear them, you buy them, and then they start to like fade away. That's not cool. So that doesn't happen with these sunglasses. Oh my god, I love these. Oh, these are so me. So they have them like this, which is like the champagne color. Help me choose. They have them in like with this. Ooh, this is so cool. They have them with like this blue glass. And they have them with, I think this is the gray. Oh, this is so nice. So these are one of my favorite styles and I wanted to just show you something. This is one of the things that got me here. These things are made out of jade, the jade stone. So basically when you're wearing the glasses, they don't leave you that mark that all glasses leave you here, which for me is vital because since I'm always filming, you know, I put them on and I take them off. I don't want to have that mark there. So these jade stones, they don't give you that, and these glasses are super, super light. I'm gonna show you, let's see. Oh, these are so pretty. I love these. I want to show you something. Remember I told you before that they use like little pearls and they also use these little seashells in like a lot of their models. But this is what I love. If you open it up, there's a little pearl in there. How cute is that? I love it. So these ones come, I also love these ones. So they come like this and they have like, you know, the same thing but like in a different colorway. Let's see what else. Girl, these are just extra fat. Check this out. I love these. These come like this. And again, you see the little pearl details, and you guys, these glasses are so light. Love the side. Oh, I saw another one that I really like. Let me show it to you. See? These ones, in my opinion, they're like next level. They're so nice. Look at these. But look at the sides of these. These are fun. How beautiful is this? And they're not expensive. These ones are 186 pounds, and almost all the ones that I have shown you are like 160, 170 range. Usually to get sunglasses that are this quality, I usually have to spend like $600-700. So that's really good. I've had a really productive day so far. So it's 4 p.m. and I have filmed 2 videos. But right now I am starving because I have not eaten anything today. So I'm going to make myself some lunch and then I'm gonna edit a video and I'm gonna push it out tonight. So I'm just going to pop you guys up here in this tripod so you guys can cook with me. I've been trying to eat as healthy as possible, so something that I have been eating every day is salmon with steamed spinach, and I put a little lime over it with salt and pepper, and it tastes delicious. And I am obsessed with this carrot salad, so that's exactly what I'm going to make myself for lunch right now. I'm really not kidding you when I tell you I'm obsessed with this carrot salad. I have so many carrots, and I have another package up inside the fridge. This is how I get the spinach. I will probably go through this pack of spinach between tonight and tomorrow because I eat spinach all the time with my meals. So this is what you want to do. You want to take a good amount of baby spinach and you want to wash them. Then I take one of these things, which are the Chinese wooden things that they use to heat up the dumplings. And I just put all the leaves in there because we're going to steam them. These things are super economical. You can literally pick them up in any Chinese store for like $1 or just go on Amazon and order them. I like to use this better than the metal to steam my baby spinach because I don't want any of the particles of the metal or anything to like just be released into my food, so I just want it to be as natural as possible. This pot is just filled with water and it's boiling, and we're going to just place this on top of it. We're just gonna leave it there so the vegetables get steamed. In the meantime, I'm going to start cooking the salmon. So I'm just going to add a little bit of olive oil. This salmon was seasoned yesterday. I don't really know what it was seasoned with. I know it was with herbs because it was Theo, my roommate, that seasoned it because he's really good at cooking. So I just put it, I'm just gonna let this heat up and then I put it in there. While everything is cooking, we're going to season this. So basically I have taken a carrot, I have grated it. You guys, this is so delicious. Basically now we're just gonna season it with, I'm using lime, but you can use lemon as well. It's pink Himalayan salt, pepper. So this is ready now. What you want to do is you want to flip it over on the plate. You want to squeeze a lemon, salt, pepper on top, and it's ready. You have the steamed spinach with the salmon and the freshly grated carrots. This is the most delicious and tasty meal on earth. You guys should try it. Come here, you thing. Look who I found. So this is Fiona, and Fiona is Gabby's baby, right? I've just finished lunch. It was delicious. It's 6:30, so I'm going to sit down right now and I am going to edit tonight's vlog that has to go up in about 3 hours. So yeah, that's the plan. Cozy up, finish the vlog, upload it, and then hopefully I make it in time to go to the sauna afterwards so I can relax and I can have a really good night. So you guys, we are on the way to the sauna and the steam room. Gabby's with me, and as usual they close at 10, but they don't let you in like 45 minutes before. So I'm just hoping that they really let us in because it is 45 minutes before. This is my favorite time of the day. Is at the end of the day after you've had a long day at work, or just the end of the day actually. I love to come downstairs and we have a sauna and a steam room. You guys have seen it in my previous vlogs. And I go in there and I do my face mask and everything. Let's just hope that they let us in because it's kind of late and I'm just like really good at always getting here like. Yeah. We forgot the towels.
No, I have the towel.
Oh, you have the towel?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay, cool. Alright, so I love to start the session by just going inside the jacuzzi a little bit, just for my body to get a little bit like warm. And then I'll go into the sauna and I'll use this like scrubbing thing, and I will just scrub all the skin off my body. And then at last, we go inside the sauna and it's so relaxing. Gabby! So yeah, we basically just come in here and we flip this little thing that's in the wall that's supposed to last 15 minutes, but honestly the first 5 minutes we're dying. So it's always like a little competition to wait to see who can actually last the whole 15 minutes. I'm usually the first one out. So now that we have come out of the steam room where we scrubbed all our bodies with, you know, a little scrub, and then we went into the sauna and it got really warm. Now we're gonna do a rose hips mask. This is by Mario Badescu, and this thing makes your face glow. So nice. Yes, it's not our best camera look, but it's our current look at the moment. We're gonna go back in the sauna and we're gonna let this dry. Let's go. I just took off the rose hips mask and look at how my skin looks. It just looks glowy and it's super hydrated and like moisturized, because here in London the water is very harsh and your skin gets like, my skin gets really dry. So now I'm going to put this is super moisturizing. It's an olive oil super rich body lotion, also by Mario Badescu. I love it. It just makes my skin is very dry, so I just put this all over my body, my legs, and it leaves it super moist. Cream is organic. Hello! Hello! Fiona! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, look who's here! Did you miss us? Yeah, I miss mommy. What have you been up to since we were gone, huh? Oh my god, mira esta nena tan bella. Alright. Hi! Hi! I love getting this kind of welcomes when I go home. Alright, she's done. You're done. Okay. What's up? We went to the spa. We did Mario Badescu and all kinds of face masks, and say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog.
I hope that you guys have enjoyed coming around with me and just spending your time at the spa with me and Gabby. I'm going to finish up the vlog here. That way I have time to edit it and upload it. Before I let you guys go, I wanted to announce the winner of the Friedrik bag. Her name is Lucy and she's in the state of Florida. So congratulations, Lucy. You're going to really enjoy this bag because I've had it for a couple of days and I love it so far. To all of you that sent me an email, thank you so much. I had so much fun reading all your emails, but the winner was literally picked randomly where I closed my eyes and I was like, boom, pointed at the screen, and that was the name that my finger landed on. So I see you guys in my next video and I send you guys a big kiss and a big hug. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today. It makes me super happy. Bye.